everybody, my name's Celeste Green and I'm a certified laughter yoga teacher and laughter ambassador, and I'm so pumped to laugh together today. Before we get started, click that subscribe button below and let's go. So we are gonna laugh together on purpose because we can, because it feels great and it's good for us. So I want to invite you to just play like a kid on a playground and laugh with me as I laugh with you, okay? The more playful you are, the more your laughter will become real and contagious, all right? So let's start by just breathing in and smiling. Just breathing in, smiling, and release. Just breathe in, smile, and release. This next time we're just gonna chuckle on the way down. Breathe in, smile. Just laughing. Let's do that again. Breathe in. Just laughing. Now sway from side to side, just smiling and swaying. Breathing. Very nice. We're going to get our heart rate up with a little Calcutta laughter. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our hands outward and we're going to go ho, ho, then downward ha, ha. And we're just going to alternate. If you need to take some breaths, take a break, feel free. All right, let's go together. Here we go. Ho, ho, ha, ha. 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 And say this with me. Very good. Very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good. Very good. Yay. And sigh out. Good deep breath in. Breathe in. Stretch. And release. One more time. Breathe in. Stretch. And release. Very nice. We're going to enjoy some Teehee binoculars. I want to invite you to put these binoculars over your eyes. We're going to look around at each other and just laugh. All right, ready, go. And ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Very nice. We are going to put on a laughter mask, and when we put it on, we're just going to smile and laugh. Here we go. Ready? Go. And very good. Very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good. Very good. Yay. Wonderful, everybody. You know that laughter is an instant vacation. So do I. So we're going to go on poor man's vacation with a little aloha laughter. So how it's going to work is we're going to take our arms up and we're going to make the aloha. You get the picture, sound, and then we're going to come down and we're going to laugh on the way down, all right? So let's do that together. Ready? Aloha. Just laughing on the way down. One more time. Ready? Aloha. Just laughing on the way down. And one more time. Hello. Just laugh it all the way down. And very good. Very good. Yay. One more time together. Very good. Very good. Yay. Thanks for laughing with me. Be sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you next time.